hope I have sound on this one.
Well, we made it down here to the bus motor sawmill. Checking out the edger, hanging out with these guys, and we're gonna get to see the mill, cut some lumber, and have a nice day of it.
We're here today in Mark and Eddie, down in Pennsylvania, at the sawmill. It's a field trip for us. Beautiful country.
Just hanging out with them this morning, watching everything get going, seeing the operation. Mark's calling us up into the cab.
You can see how we do our videos. Now this is my camera, how I move it. So I always turn the camera, won't let me say it. Let's get this video started. So fire up the old bus motor here. And we're gonna, what's the log? Ginkgo. Is that the name of the wood?
Ginkgo.
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 Ginkgo, okay.
Yeah, look at them. Those are ginkgos. I mistook them for white pine, but they're nice though.
Pretty good things moving here. And we're gonna wake the dogs up from that. Always make sure to take this. Put it with you. So here we go. First thing,
can imagine.
You put that out there, and next thing you know, you're cutting something crazy, and then he looks at me like, what did you just do? And again, like I always say about the table, you gain some on one side, but you do lose it on the other.
Yeah.
Right? And you can verify the laser does exist.
Oh, the laser is, it's easy to see the laser in person.
Yeah,
Plain as day. But I even have trouble picking it up on the video sometimes.
yeah, that's a common problem. I guess we're going to put this in the sun here. You can see every time you hit the set, how fast it brings it out. It's actually some pretty wood.
That stuff looks beautiful.
Yeah, I wouldn't expect that.
I've never seen a Ginkgo sawn before.
Me neither, so that makes two of us.
I've cut them down and climbed them and trimmed them, but
Okay, we're going to do now. Let's look at where we're at in the pit. You're not going too bad. I'm going to take maybe one more off this side here. Then we're going to flatten the top out and then take it down to 8 inches. All right.
Dave's having a ball.
That's good.
He's got help on that end.
Oh, yeah. You're not used to that.
Sometimes I just have to run around and help him move a couple heavy things or
One more off here, but turn it up and start pulling it one by one. Let's see, I'm going to take one inch and a half off. We can edge that down to 8. Alright, let's bring that side back out. Here's some storage we're going to bring out to the saw. Follow these away. A little boom going on there. Shoot it up a little bit here. Wait for the laser to flicker on me. There it is. See the opening bead on the top there. Pull the mag there. But that's how close you can bring it back up. Or it's not here. Sounds like butter.
it is softer.
Look at that, took us right down to 8 inches. Look at that, that's lock there. Now that's skill. chewy, don't get too aggressive. Always bump them dogs back, because you can't stress that enough. You guys got a real dangerous setup.
Yeah. Could use a little improvement.
Yeah, if you miscalculate that thing, you're going to be eating dogs. What we're going to do is we're going to saw right down to the bit and turn it back.
It's gonna be like 12 minutes, under 12 minutes for one log.
Yeah, we're making videos. I actually don't really salt to the desk, especially there's only Eddie down there with Dave, and Dave's not, he's not familiar with our mill. So I sort of try to take it